Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up the Meta XR SDK into the Unity so that you can play around and create a XR metaverse application using Meta SDK, and you can play around with the Meta Quest. It's a VR device, VR goggle. And first of all, I assume that you already set up the Unity properly. Uh, if not, you can just go to the Unity download page in Google or somewhere, and you can just install the Unity step by step. Basically, you just need to create a Unity account and download the Unity Hub, which is this screen. And also, you can download the Unity editor, excuse me, from the Unity Hub right here. So I already installed several Unity editors right here. And at this point, Unity 6.5 is the latest version, but there is some incompatibility between the editor version and the Meta XR SDK. So I recommend installing Unity 6.3 instead. All right. And to install the editor, you can just click on the install editor right here, and you will choose the Unity editor version right here. And as I said, I think you can just install the Unity 6.3 right here. And you can also choose the module, which is the operating system outcome. So like you can, Unity is a multi-platform. So like you can build like Android, iOS, Windows, WebGL, etc. And the module, if you wanna build like Android application, then you should download the Android module together with the editor version right here. And obviously MetaQuest is Android OS, so like you should download the Android module at this point. All right, and then it takes time to install all the modules and the files and etc, but just wait for it, and you should appear it should appear right here in the hub, and it's ready to go now. All right, and you can just go to the project, and you can just create a new project, and make sure you choose the Unity 6.3, and we will build a 3D application. So like you will choose the Universal 3D right here, and you can just change the name right here. I will just create like a test. Yeah, it's just a random name, and you can just choose the path to save this project, and now you click on create project. Alright, so it takes time to get started, so just be patient. And this is the first screen like you will see. If you already know the Unity, you already know it, but yeah, it's already well started. Then you will find the Windows in the package management and the package manager, and you will see all the packages you installed, or you installed from the Unity asset store. So here, beginner of Unity, there is a Unity asset store. You can like purchase any assets. If there is any like a free asset, upload it there. You can just download them, and all the assets you downloaded, you will see it here in the list. And I already installed the Meta Meta XR All-in-One SDK right here somewhere. Here, Meta XR All-in-One SDK. That's all we need, and you can just go to the. You can just type Unity Asset Store in Google, and you will find the Meta XR All-in-One SDK if you search for it, or you can just copy and paste here com.meta.xr.sdk.all right here, and you will click on plus button here and install package by name, and you will just type this package name right here, and you can just install it there. Yeah, either way works. And I already have this package right here, so I just need to click on install right here. This one takes time also, so just be patient. Okay, now I think it's all installed, and yes, when it's installed, you will see the Meta tab right here, alright, and also Meta XR tools bar here, and here you will see the project setup tool, and it will detect all the errors to fix, and you just need to click one button right here to fix all the problems right there, otherwise it won't work. And another thing you will have to take care is the XR plugin manager. It's all installed right here, but it's not. You can just go to the package manager right here and click on the import or Unity registry, and you will type like a plugin, and it will appear XR plugin management right there, and you need to install it, right? And for the plugin, you will see two types. One is Oculus XR and OpenXR plugin. The difference between Oculus XR and OpenXR is that the Meta initially supported Oculus XR plugin, and because Oculus is a old name of the Meta Quest, and they they created actually their own XR plugin, but they are shifting to OpenXR, which is more like world standard OpenXR, not only for Meta but also other XR applications for XR plugin. And now Meta is stating that they are supporting the OpenXR more, and Oculus XR is deprecating. I think you can still use it, but for the future, Meta is supporting OpenXR more. So you will need to install OpenXR plugin right here, or you can just go to the player setting. So build profile. One point right here. I mean, Meta Quest is Android OS. So if you tick the Windows platform right here as active right there, you have to switch to Android. So you just click Android and click switch platform right here. This one takes time also, so you have to be patient again. Okay, now it's switched to Android from Windows. Then I can continue. So go to the player settings and go to the XR plugin management right here, and now you will see the two tabs, Windows and the Android, and obviously I am on the Android tab right here. And now you can have a choice to choose the plugin mode, plugin providers, and you will check the OpenXR right here, and then it will start installing the OpenXR plugin. Alternatively, also you can also go to the package manager and install the OpenXR, but yeah, you can also check right here to install the OpenXR, and it will also take some time. Okay, now it's OpenXR is enabled right here, and there's some warnings right here you can just ignore. And this is also this is a project validation. It's like a Meta it's like a Meta XR tools right here. It will detect all the warnings and errors, and you just need to click fix all right here to fix everything automatically. And this one takes some time also, and yes, they adjust all the errors automatically, and it's compiling the scripts right here, but you can just close right there, close here. And also I need to double check the project setup too right here, and is there any errors? Alright, there are some errors right here, so you just need to click here to fix all. Alright, now it's gone. That's so simple and easy. Alright, then now all the Meta project or like packages, I would say, installed right here, and XR management, XR plugin management, and the plugin OpenXR plugin is already installed, so it's good to go. And the setup itself is so simple because Meta XR SDK prepares the prefab. You just need to drag into the hierarchy to use. So you just need to type like OVR camera. Okay, something is busy. Alright, hopefully finish all the things. Alright, so now I can just type in OVR camera, for example, and I am searching in asset, and obviously all the packages for the Meta is under the packages, so either I have to move into the in packages or all to find the OVR what I want from the Meta packages. So what I need is OVRCameraRig right here, and you just need to drag and drop right here, and pretty much that's it. And this is camera itself, so you don't need the camera anymore. You just disable right here, and then yes, this is what you see from the VR goggle. And this is only for the camera, and if you need any like interaction, you can just type in the OVRComprehensive, like this one. Yeah, so OVR comprehensive interaction rig, for example, like you just need to drag and drop under the OVR camera rig parent objects right here. There are some prefab which is deprecated, so you just need to be just careful on that, but otherwise you just need to drag and drop right here, and you will see all the functionalities or configuration. You can play around with the hand, controllers, interactions right there. Yes, for the interaction for the controller. Yeah, this is Ray Interactor. Like you can just interact with UI, for example, or like you can grab something, etc., etc. Yes, so this is just a basic setup, and now you can play around with this Meta packages and your VR goggle, Meta Quest, etc., etc. And you can also play around with this configurations. You can enable the Passthrough, for example. You can also enable body tracking, face tracking, eye tracking, etc. etc. Alright, this is yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and see you next time.